Careful that rafter.
Mario, guide me.
Stop. You're going to hit the bracket. You're up.
Oh, I can't see that.
Yeah.
What bracket am I going to hit?
Ledger.
It's got to go higher, but we're stuck with the rafter there.
Oh, I'm not going to hit that rafter. I'm going to clear it.
You're clear.
I'm not going to hit that rafter. I'm below.
Well, we've got to go up, though.
Okay.
I'm afraid you're going to hit it when you go up.
Why do you need to go
How
up?
much farther can I go forward?
You can't right now without rolling the door into the bracket.
Okay, so
Why do you need to go up? I'm here.
It's going to hit the. That or we can go right a little bit.
Oh, you just need to move to the left a little bit.
Little bit. Or I need
A little clear.
I need to move it to the
To
left.
the left a little bit.
What do you think he should do?
Hold on a second.
Oh, just
Bunt.
go forward.
Yeah, I can go forward.
Oh, that's too much now on Mario's side. Just stay careful.
Perfect here.
What am I doing?
We're good there? Are you good on that side?
Yeah.
Then you can go forward.
Okay.
It's not going to hit the bracket, Mario? Maybe come back just a skosh my way.
No, I'm fine. Set the thing already. Forward.
Okay.
A little bit.
Mario says forward. Perfect.
No, wait. I'll just move the bracket.
Yeah, just move the bracket, Mario. And then let me get a ladder up there.
Okay. Move a little forward. Forward. Yeah. Forward.
Stop. The gear is hitting.
Huh? What's that? You need to move the
I think I can go up there and just push it. The gear is hitting the bracket.
Okay. Why don't you guys do it by hand now?
Yeah, I think that's good. Can I come your way, Mario?
Yes. Yeah, 2 inches here.
You want me to hit it, Bill? Watch your hands.
Yeah, go just a skosh towards Mario.
Okay,
Half
yeah,
an
here.
inch.
Here, go a little bit.
Perfect.
Okay, what do I do?
Oh, hold it.
Are you ready to go forward, Mario?
That's it. Alright.
We only got a few more inches before the forks hit the header.
The forklift blades? Okay.
Yep. You've got 4 more forward inches, and I don't know if that's enough.
You go around and you hold that ladder for Mario. Walk behind.
4 more inches. I can rest on the thing.
Go forward.
Yeah, go
Yeah, 4
forward,
more
but
inches. Just 4
slowly.
inches.
Okay.
I guess just take it to the fourth cut.
No, wrong way, sorry.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Forward.
All right, let's see what happens here. Whoa. Is that good?
I'm good.
You're good on this
I'm
side.
resting. Are you resting?
I'm not resting, but
What do I need to do, Milt?
go up for me.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Watch your
just
hands.
go.
Okay.